Assalamu alaikum guys. I was away for some time. Sorry for that. And today I will cover the topic of oncology. What is oncology? The study of cancer, the related to neoplastic changes or proliferative changes. That it is called oncology, right? How the cancer are made or formed. First, you should know how the cancer is formed. There are proto-oncogenes. Okay, we all know that there are proto-oncogenes in our body. The proto-oncogenes ऐसी जीन्स हैं जो कन्वर्ट हो जाती हैं ऑनकोजीन्स में. ठीक है. अब ऑनकोजीन्स में वो कैसे कन्वर्ट हो जाती हैं? देयर आर टू वेज हाउ दे आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू ऑनकोजीन्स. Either they are converted into oncogenes by the viruses or the radiations or the chronic inflammations or the sudden mutations, idiopathic mutations, autoimmune, anything that is making the proto-oncogenes to convert into oncogenes, right? I think this is clear to you. So we all know that proto-oncogenes are actually the normal genes, right? ये एक normal genes हैं जो proliferation करा रही हैं हमारे cells की. All right. The proto-oncogenes are the genes that are responsible for the proliferations of our genes, right? So the proto-oncogenes, they are controlled by tumor suppressor genes. There are tumor suppressor genes in our body that are controlling the proliferations of the cells. If they get disabled or they compromise, then there will be no one and nothing will be holding that proto-oncogenes or cell proliferation, and cell will proliferate further, and that will become a cancer or neoplasm. All right. Second thing, I already told you tumor suppressor gene. First thing, they get activated. How they get activated? They get activated by the mutation, radiation, or chronic inflammations. They get suppressed or they get controlled by tumor suppressor gene. So the tumor suppressor genes are disabled. Either they are disabled or either the proto-oncogenes are activated, right? For example, HER2 is an example of the proto-oncogenes that are activated in the CA breast, and in tumor suppressor gene, the P53 is disabled, and the example of that is CA lung, breast, and colon. And there is also a APC gene, which is tumor suppressor gene. They also get deactivated in CA colon. Likewise, the RB gene, right? So I hope this point is clear to you. If there is an important MCQ, I will tell you about that. It comes as how the viruses makes the proto-oncogenes to oncogenes. Either they get mutated or they makes the protein synthesis. If the both our options are in the MCQ, that proto-oncogenes are converted to oncogenes either by mutation or either by protein synthesis, then in this MCQ you will prefer protein synthesis. So the first point is the priority is protein synthesis, and the second priority is mutation in the proto-oncogene. All right. So I was also talking about radiation, how the radiation makes it neoplasm, or they may mutate the proto-oncogenes by free radicals. As you all know that the free radicals takes the cells and mutates them, the DNA or all the information in our cells by free radical formation, right? And these free radical formations, they turn on the anti-apoptotic BCL2 oncogene, right? As we already know that there are pro-apoptotic or anti-apoptotic. The anti-apoptotic genes are actually the genes that are suppressing the